We can go around the water?
It's not long, like a 10-minute walk through the water.
10-minute walk in the water?
Yeah, so we're basically...
All right.
That one on the way back.
Yeah. Somebody with the weed whacker should have started.
Machete.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a gun back here.
That's the Japanese gun, yeah.
Is it awesome?
Man, where are you going? To your left, in front of you.
In front of you, straight in front. Okay. Wow. It is really cool. Okay, what do you not found that? Could have brought my kiddos here. That's probably why it's called the beach.
Ooh. Oh man. Well, my feet are going to be nice and soft when we're done because I'm getting an exfoliation. I almost brought my big camera, but the battery was dead. No rushing, no rushing. Take your time. We got all day. The bar doesn't close till 11 p.m. You mean those spiders?
Yeah, I went over to lay my fins down.
Step down.
Put my face in it.
Ooh, look at all those. We're gonna have to go to Subaki Towers and go up to the bar and have cocktails so you can see the view from up there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look. Butterfly.
It's a nice view. I can't believe that guy's fishing right there.
A lot of people fish all along. Oh, if you walk the beach along at nights, there'll be everybody fishing. You gotta wait. A lot of sand in my shoes.
Yeah, me too.
If you have a phone, now's a good time to secure it. Do we need to carry? Do we need to carry kids?
Watch out for the big waves, huh?
I'm watching the waves and the water.
Do you girls need help?
I'm good, baby.
Good, thank you, Joe. Thank you for taking your time, gentlemen.
Are you watching where the water is?
Yeah. When those waves come in, just
Yeah, when the waves come in, just stop.
oh, right in my mouth.
And then I have a pebble underneath the heel of my foot right now.
Right in my mouth. In my eyeball.
Woo! Okay, you're going to help the little kids. Well, that was fun.
Got some of the sand out of my shoes.
Yeah, I know my left is empty, but my right is full now. So there's three lovers point, 2 lovers point. How far are we going down? Where'd everybody else go?
I don't know, but I guess we're going to find caves, so
Oh, okay.
we're looking for the caves. So that's Two Lovers Point up there.
Yeah.
Okay. That's part of the thing I think about the island. Like, everything you want to do, you can't really have a camera out. Unless you got, like, you have a GoPro, but you can't
Yeah.
have your phone out,
Yeah.
you know? You're like on Gilligan's Island there.
Oh. Whew, okay.
I love seeing how the water and stuff is formed on these corals.
Man, there's like a whole little hut house over here. Oh, what a view.
I feel like I'm just going to take my glasses off.
Yeah, I think I naked.
I could see that. It's weird for me not having my glasses. I started to wipe them and then I'm like,
Yeah. Are we pointing at nature or are we pointing at a snake that's about to get me? I'm like, what y'all looking at?
I'm worried more about the spiders in my face than the snakes.
We have a water hose. Look, my Jeep brain says I need to go this way. Are we still stepping on the outside? Oh. Well, this is kind of cool. Are there bats in here? Woo. Something just dripped on me. I think that's, oh yeah. Are y'all okay? Woohoo! They went that way. Or, I don't know, over there.
Is that a dead end over there?
Yeah. Is that moisture? What is this? Yeah, it's gotta be. Look, it's moisture. Look. It's all the drips. Look, it's all wet. Look at all the color and the crystals and the rock. There's a pool of water.
Yeah.
All right, peace out.
Oh, I see it. You're right.
How cool is that?
Yeah, I gotta come down here without a group maybe.
Yeah, exactly. Whew. Holy cool beans. I mean, it is open back that way, but I wouldn't go that way. All right, you think it's cold or do you think it's warm?
Crab.
What do you mean a crab?
Right there. Right there. See his legs?
Oh yeah. He's right
See
there.
his legs?
See his legs? He's right there.
He's like, why
This is why you need to get your scuba and come night diving with me. The fish at night are completely different. All right, y'all don't see any snakes or weird things that's gonna come out and get me, do you?
You guys see the monitor lizard on the way in?
No.
There's this little one hiding off in the bushes just off the trail.
No, I've seen one since I've been on the island. It's so cool watching them walk and like the dinosaurs. I did see a jungle. Yeah.
All right, that's very slippery. We're trying, look, I lost a bet yesterday and had to buy a round of drinks for these guys. My bet is trying to find out if this is cold or warm. Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
Is it salty?
Well, I ain't tasting it, but... Yeah. Hey, where'd that crab go that I was probably standing?
You're like right above him. He's probably gone.
I didn't want him to come up and crawl out and pinch my butt. All right, I'm okay. All right, y'all go away. I'm about to take off my clothes and skinny dip. Oh, that is cold. Oh, Mamma Mia.
That's so cool.
How many hundreds of years do you think? Oh, look, it's one here. Do you like to find the right on my little island?
Yeah, that's cool.
I love to look at things.
Spider wants all over your place.
Oh, yeah.
They probably come down here during the day.
I wonder how far back this goes. Who wants to go with me? I need my scuba tank. My eyes are burning. Are you coming with me? So at least if we both drown, one of us is gonna... Never mind.
Try not to drown. You got the flashlight.
I know, but I'm trying not to, like,
Take a slip.
It'd
Fall down into this.
be a dangerous
I
abyss.
wonder how far back it goes that
That
way.
is cold.
Yeah. I can't tell if that's a rock or if that's...
Definitely goes down and
I was
under.
gonna say, it looks goes down. Yep. That's
You can see.
Yeah. And around that rock too. And see, does that rock go down? Hang on.
Minerals.
Is that a, I was gonna say, is that a moth or is that a bee? So he needs light, but we don't want to put the light on his face.